Many parents today are worried about their children's grade. Now, I seriously don't understand what the fuss is all about, right? Children's grades doesn't determine their capability. Not every engineer and doctor that we have today are wealthy. Who are wealthy? People who create something, who are innovative, who have set up a business, who are entrepreneurs, they are wealthy. I mean, look at the examples, right? Bill Gates was a college dropout. Steve Jobs was a college dropout. Mark Zuckerberg was a college dropout. Michael Dell was a college dropout. How many examples do we have which keeps showcasing us that there is something else that is needed just besides a degree and the scores and the grades, right? Most of us who have done well in schools and colleges are employees and not employers. Now I think it is time for each one of us, at least for our kids' safety and for their health and well-being, people have to change their way of thinking and think of stuff from a different angle instead of just following the norm, right? So how many of us really are using the skills that we have learned in schools and colleges in our work life? Is it helping us in some way? If the answer is yes, I think you are one of the exceptional cases. But majority of us are not even utilizing a bit of it in our corporate life or in our respective profession, right? Leaving the doctors, of course. So what does it say? It says that the market has a different expectation altogether, and we are just doing things just because we've been doing things in a certain way from a long time, right? So it's really high time that we think in a different way and be open for different perspectives, and at the same time not pressurize our kids just because we are not getting some grades in some subjects. But the need of the hour is to understand what is it that they are good at, what is it that they are showing interest in, right? And develop that skill and polish that skill for them to show some more interest and keep developing that interest, develop that curiosity, which eventually turns into their passion, and automatically they start improving themselves in that particular specialized skill, correct? So what is it that your child is interested in? So that is something that you need to determine as parent and enable them to move in that journey. I'm not saying that getting them education is a waste of time. No. I'm saying that there are more things that is needed along with their degree. Degree is just a means of, stabilizing, setting the base, but there are many other things that is needed. That doesn't mean that we start pressurizing our kids, but what I'm saying is just don't depend solely on the degree that they get or on the scores and grades that they get. For example, I have an 8-year-old son. My son loves math. He loves computers. He loves creating games. He loves creating animations. So I encourage him in that area. He's not that great in languages. He's not that great in social studies, EVS and stuff like that. I don't pressurize him. I know that his interest is in math and computer science, so I let him spend a lot of time exploring and learning different stuff, which he enjoys, by the way. And I help him out with these subjects, but I'm really okay if he gets low scores in that. If he's average in those subjects, I'm okay with it. I don't pressurize him. I don't stress on the fact that he has scored less, right? So that's where I'm coming from. Now it is a clear indication that there has to be something extra along with the education that we are providing our children. So degree is okay, but what are the other skills that they need to develop? They need communication skills. They need marketing skills. They need digital marketing skills. They need financial skills. They need business skills. There are so many things that they need to develop, And unless and until we are good at it and we ourselves are struggling, what sort of an example would we leave for our children? We need to ask ourselves, are we good at all these skills? How good are we at managing our wealth? How good are we at managing our money? How good are we at managing our relationships? How good are we at maintaining our business acumen? So only when we are good at things, we will be able to teach or imbibe those things in our children and set a base for them to start building up on those skills, which would definitely be a stepping stone for them in the future, right? So I really request all the parents not to fuss about the grades. Education, I agree, is important to a certain extent, but it is not the only way of surviving or being a significant person in this world. There are other high paid skills that is required, and we as parents need to really focus on what our kids are interested in and help them choose their path that they like, instead of making them good at everything and master of nothing. There is no use of it. I don't think the world needs employees anymore. The world needs employers. The world needs creativity. The world needs innovation. And educational degrees won't get that, right? I hope this video was of some value to you all. And in case if you found value in this video, please do not hesitate to share this video with many more such parents who would want to improve their parenting techniques and also understand the child's psychology better. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.